Hi guys, this is Nelson. Welcome to the A to Z of useful knots. Today's knot begins with the letter B. It's called the bowline. The bowline is useful whenever you want to put a secure loop in the end of your rope. We're going to start by making an overhand loop on our rope here. We're going to take the working end of our rope, going to go up through the loop, we're going to go around the back of the standing end and down through the loop again. We're going to tighten our knot, dressing it up. And here we have the bowline. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!